What's going on, guys? Chanel Stevens here. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to be going over the most profitable traffic sources for CPA affiliate marketing. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. I'll be dropping videos all the time on CPA affiliate marketing, a whole bunch of online marketing type videos. So if you're looking to take your CPA marketing game to the next level and learn from an actual super affiliate, this is the channel where I give you free value, things like that. So let's just dive into just the types of different traffic sources out there, because a lot of you guys don't know the different types of traffic sources, because I have only went over like just a couple on this channel. So let me just first start off with, okay, so first we know social traffic, search, display, native, mobile. All right, so these are the 5 different types of traffic sources that I use personally that took me to 7 figures with CPA affiliate marketing. So first things first, you know about Facebook, because I talk about that a lot on this channel. Facebook, social traffic also could be Instagram, it could be Twitter ads, it's another one like Snapchat. So you have all these different social type of ad platforms, and basically the key with social is you want the ads to kind of be fit in with the type of content on the platform. So if it's Facebook, you want to make some type of picture or video ad post, you know, same with Instagram. These are pretty much the same on the same platform. You run these ads, you know, through Facebook because Facebook owns Instagram. But like Twitter, Snapchat, you just want to make sure, you know, this is Snapchat, it'll be video form, Snapchat style. Twitter, it'll be, you know, 100 and something characters. And you know, you can add a picture, things like that, but you just wanted, the key is just making sure the ad fits in with the specific platform, because I think these are the best platforms for newbies, because most of you guys spend your time on Facebook already, so you understand the platform, you know what you kind of like to see, so these will be easier to figure out. That's why I teach Facebook to all my beginner students and things like that, because I feel like it's simple to use, it's an easy ad style to perfect. And also another thing, as I'm about to go through these traffic sources, you want to make sure you're only focusing on one traffic source at a time, because I'm going to give you all these different traffic sources that you can use, that you can make 6 figures a month with. But if you're jumping from social traffic to search traffic to native to mobile all within, you know, 1 month, 2 months, like, you're not going to get to 6 figures per month. You're not going to be a super affiliate because you're jumping around. You have to focus on one traffic source at a time. Once you get that to 5-6 figures per month, then you can start moving over to other traffic sources as well. But I say focus on one traffic source at a time. I just wanted to get that out the way. But also, let's go into search traffic. So search, you have Google and Bing. Now these are the 2 search type traffic that I use. Google, when it comes to affiliate offers, they're a little more strict. They have a ton of rules. They really don't like affiliate offers. Now, when you do run affiliate offers, you really have to like build out a whole site just dedicated for Google to be able to run ads with Google for affiliate offers. So that's why I usually stick to Bing, and I believe Bing is like best for newbies because it's really simple to set up the ads. All you have to do is create simple ad copy, and they are more acceptable to the type of landing pages that you might use when it comes to CPA affiliate marketing. Whereas Google, they're not just going to accept you just throwing us some ClickFunnels site onto their platform, and then like that's not going to be compliant. Bing, they'll let you do that. They have some rules and stuff, and with all these platforms, Facebook, you know, they all have rules, and you make sure you're just being compliant within all these platforms, and you should be good. Well, I definitely suggest using search if you're a newbie also, because when it comes to like targeting, it's really simple. You know, like social, you know, you have a lot of targeting options. I mean, with search, you have a lot of targeting options, but the targeting is your keywords. So you have to make sure that your keywords are making sense. So if you're doing work from home, how to work from home, things like that, and that'll bring up your ad on Bing, and that's how you're able to generate lots and lots of traffic, by finding those profitable keywords, finding those keywords that people are typing in that are related to your offer, and that's how you can crush it with Bing. So display, you can use is something called buy sell ads. Now buy sell ads has a tons of sites and posters that basically will allow you to place your banner on their actual website. So all you'll have to do is basically just find the sites that fit into whatever niche you're promoting, is just get a banner created and then get that placed on an actual site that's through buy sell ads. And you can buy these different targeting options, these different banner placements through buy sell ads. So if you haven't heard of that, I advise you to check that out as well. And when it comes to these are all like newbie to intermediate traffic sources, because I believe if you got $1,000, less than $1,000, definitely I would say start right here in these, because with native, you definitely need a higher budget. And let me just go into like some native ad platforms. So you have Taboola, Outbrain, Rev Content. I hope you guys can see that. All right, so you have native, with native traffic, you have Taboola, Outbrain, Rev Content. Now native, this is more, I would say, for advanced people only, all right? Because this costs a little more, and when you run native traffic, it's gonna cost you a little more, and you're gonna wanna promote offers that have a higher payout, because you know the traffic is gonna cost you a lot. And I never advise a newbie to start off with high payout offers. I advise you to stick with low payout offers. And when it comes to low payout offers, you know, search and social will be the best for that. And once you get to like the intermediate stage, I'll say this is for like intermediate. And I'll say this is for intermediate people, because I advise you to have at least $2,500 plus, $2,500 plus to play with a specific campaign when you start playing with display. So right here, this is for if you have, let's say, $1,000 or less, right? And this is if you have, you know, maybe $2,500 or less, then you can move up to like display. And then this is if you have like, I'll say $5,000. So if you got $5,000 and up, then I definitely suggest you try native out. But with native, you have to make sure that with your pre-sale pages, or pre-sale, you really using like blog type advertorial pages. So pages that basically look like content and look like a blog post, but really you're selling the person on that actual page. And this is more for the advanced, because yes, you have to have a high, you need to use high payout offers, you know, to really make this profitable. And also you just want to make sure you're calling out your demographic in your actual ad, in the actual headline, so that you're not getting a whole bunch of BS clicks, because those clicks are not cheap. So you want to definitely, I suggest, make sure that you know what you're doing. You're already used to optimizing, because when it comes to native, you're going to have to really understand optimization and things like that. You're going to need to get your blacklist and whitelist, like, you know, fairly quickly. And if you're not sure what a blacklist, whitelist is basically a list of sites that you know for sure you want to target, and you're only going to target in that campaign. And a blacklist is sites that you don't want to target. You don't want your ads showing up on those actual sites within that campaign. So you have to really dive deep. That's another topic for another day. And basically mobile, I'll say this is for a newbie. These are for newbies too. And with mobile, you know, you got Propeller Ads, Tonic, and Hilltop Ads, just to name a few. So mobile, you got Propeller Ads, Tonic, and Hilltop Ads, just to name a few. Those are some traffic sources. And with these, you know, you can do redirect traffic. And redirect traffic is basically traffic where, say a person entered in, you know, a certain site, and that site doesn't exist no more. What it'll do is it'll redirect them to your actual affiliate offer. So that's what redirect is. You can also do pops. So like pop traffic, like pop-ups. You ever seen like those pop-ups that come when you click on something, those types. And also you can do banners as well with mobile. And they'll just be like little mobile banners that'll pop up at the bottom or the top of the site or something like that. You can run any of those with these types. I know Hilltop has the banner, and Tonic has pop, and redirect, Propeller has pop. But with these, you just want to make sure that first, the offer that you're running, you can actually run on these specific networks, any of these specific networks. And not only that, but you just want to make sure that it actually makes sense. Like the type of ad that you're going to create, it makes sense. So whatever traffic source, wherever level you feel you're at, newbie, and also this is intermediate as well. So I'll put enter. So with mobile, newbie to intermediate, if you're running native, I'll say have $5,000 plus, be advanced, already understand optimization, understand tracking, understand how to optimize, things like that. Display, be intermediate, search and social, you can be a newbie because really you only need like 1,000 or less to get started with any of these platforms. Not so much Google, I would say Bing if you start with search. And only because Google is not too affiliate friendly. When I do Google, it's really just like pay per call or something like that. So these are just a brief introduction to all the different traffic sources. I believe you can make 6 figures a month with any of these traffic sources that I just outlined. But of course, we want to choose one. Choose one and make 6 figures a month with it, and then start moving on to other traffic sources. But master one, you know, focus and get started today. Do more research on the actual traffic platform that you want to get started on. You know, learn their compliance terms, things like that. See what type of pages are on there, spy around, you know, see what, if you can find other affiliate on these actual platforms, what they're doing, what offers they're running. Talk to your affiliate manager, see if you can get those same offers. Shortcut your way to success, but at the same time, only focus on one at a time. And just because you see another affiliate like crushing it maybe on Bing, or you might see another affiliate crushing it on Outbrain, it doesn't mean, you know, stop what you're doing on Facebook or stop what you're doing with tonic ads and stuff like that, because all of these things work. You just have to focus to get it working. All right guys, so that's all I got for this video. And if you like this video and you're interested in learning how to make 6 figures with CPA marketing, I have a free workshop. You can click the link below in the description, and in that workshop I'm going over what I did to create 7 figures with CPA affiliate marketing, and how I believe it could change your life, and getting a whole bunch of free value away in that. So check that out if you're interested. All right guys, that's all I got for this video. I'm out. Peace.